Hi folks, George, Village Blacksmith. Wanted to share a tool I just picked up off another blacksmith buddy. I really don't know much about it, and I kind of need your help to figure out who made it and what its full purpose is. It resembles a jewelry mill, but if you notice, the inside rollers are splined. And the interesting thing about it is it's got this transmission down here. If I go around to the back side, you can see how it's laid out. Now what's interesting about this is you hand crank the working gears over here rotate, but you can disconnect the transmission and they still rotate. So that leads me to believe that this shaft here is meant to be a drive shaft, a motorized drive shaft of some sort. Another interesting thing is these gears in here. Somebody suggested that they might be for corrugated rolling. They appear to be sleeved in certain spots. So you have some set screws right here, which indicates they may come out. Now what's confusing as well is you got this other shaft down on the bottom. It's got a keyway right here, and no idea what that is even supposed to go to. It just freewheels, but it's tied in with the transmission setup. So another interesting thing is I got a lot of different dies, but not all of them fit properly. So this one will fit here, but it won't fit on this one, no matter how hard I try. And then you got these other dies, which are way too big. The clearance doesn't provide for it. The other thing is, this shaft here unscrews. I don't know if it's meant to accept a larger shaft to accommodate different size rollers. But it unscrews. So, and then the one more interesting thing is you got this jacking screw down here, and you got this contraption. This fits onto this bottom roller, and I don't know, maybe that goes there, but this is adjustable, and that jacking screw raises this up, and you can move this in and out. I'm not really sure what this is for, maybe rolling wire in a corner or something. It just seems like there's way too much engineering going on inside here to just make this a little seam roller or a slip roll or a bead roller. Just seems like there's just way too much going on. And then we've got other random dies and stuff like this. And half these dies fit. The other ones are actually too loose. See, that one just freewheels on there. I don't think it's meant to go on there. And then we got an idler, like an idler screw down here. I don't know if that's to accept a pulley or what. But I can't find any visible markings on it. You know, if this is meant to be powered, I'm wondering if these gears can be taken off and then rollers could be put in on this side as well. I'm not sure. Would really like, somebody in the community has got to know who made this thing, because obviously there's parts missing. I don't know what's supposed to go over here in these holes. I got some screws missing, obviously, but I would like, if somebody could come up with a product manual or something like that, it'd be very helpful. So I do like old tools, and I do want to put this back in service. Right now, it'll function as a bead roller, but a very shallow bead roller. And I don't know if this is meant inside here, it's supposed to be corrugated. I'm not sure. So if anybody has any information about this, who made it, and what its primary focus is, I would love to hear your input. Comment below and hit me up on Facebook, or contact me through the website, gloucesterblacksmith.com. Really just an unusual piece, very well made, either over-engineered or engineered for purpose. I'm not sure. All right, folks. Thanks for watching. I look forward to your comments.